So dear friends, so when we talk of fixed assets, so we have got land development, filling, boundary walls, buildings, sheds, railings, grills, fencing, floorings, tilings, and then definitely security and other things are there. And wages are basically for labor for doing multiple tasks at multiple location. I think two or three things which you should always keep at the back of your mind. Start using some terms like, so never talk about that I have got a 15-liter cow or a 20-liter cow or a 30-liter cow. All additional feed material to the nearby farms. In Punjab, it is quite popular and farmers are making their farms much more sustainable by doing such kind of thing.